Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To this video, mag-off shop kami ni Ate Ima. Mag-bargain hunting kami. So, yan, see you later. Si Mami Ems, yung sexy na mama.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Nandito kami, tingnan mo yung pang Ate Ima sa Salvo. Ang sexy ni Ate, oh. Ha? Magsha-shopping kami. Shopping na dis. Nandito kami sa Salvation Army. Namili kami ng mga tablecloth kami ni Ate Ima. So, pili-pili. So, okay. Ate, papadala namin to sa Pilipinas. So, dito lang tayo mag-dumpster diving. Kasi, wala ditong diving dumpster. Tino, yung bang masura ba? Gagaya sa Amerika. No? Hindi ako narinig ni Ate Ima. So, yan. Tingnan mo yung shopping namin ni Ate Ima ng bonggang-bongga. Dami kaming nabili. Woohoo! So, we're going home na kasi biglaan lang. Saglit lang ng gala, Tino. So, kasi may gala pa tayo later. So, yeah. Next gala namin ni Ate. Dito kami sa food work. Mag-shopping. Saan yung bag? And then, uwi na kami. Bili lang kami ng kunting pagkain, no? So, yan. Pasak tayo. So, kailangan din namin food work. Namili kami ng konting mga pagkain dito. Hanapin ko si Ate Ima. Malapit lang kasi dito sa amin yun. So, nasa bahay na ako. Unya, laag na naman. Lunch in Leah's house as usual. So, that's my kind of Saturday. Hello mga beautiful people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Today, nandito na naman kami sa ating favorite na spot. Hi, Tels! Hello! Natutulog, baby. Nag-doorbell tayo. Doorbell, bell.
Who's there?
Me! The beautiful! We are the beautiful ladies! Charot!
Okay, I'm coming.
So what else you're gonna bring? Tela, ikaw naman lahat eh. Sorry, Tila.
Okay lang, sige lang. Ako lang.
Bakit nagdala ka ng mask? Hi!
Coming,
Come on in!
Use your slippers. Ate.
So, hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Today we're here in Hanflia's house again. Oh, I see that before, no? That's the only thing that I can remember of always saying. Karo, na kami I gonna talk in my language, okay? Nami dire sa laya na balay because kainan na naman tayo with the other friends. Yeah, limited food and then no diet for today. Okay? So, thank you for the blessing. Ayan mo na. I like a chakadal.
1 hour later.
Ito na ang mga bisera. Hi! Oh, no! Because I'm doing the video, maybe. So, nandito na ang mga bisera.
Dito na Jackie?
Wala, no.
Kala ko nga. Kasi ang haba ng pila na. Because we've been waiting.
Yeah.
Oh, why don't you pack your car? You look like a teenager.
At chakadal. Thank you. Parang nahihi.
We're here at Leah's
Yes, again, our favorite place. Favorite. Yung damit.
Yung damit niya.
Hi! I have cash, remember? So there's the food. Nom 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 nom. And you didn't say that you were here in KFC, which is like a Norway joke. It's okay. The fishes. Wow. Yeah, Ate Ima did. Ate Ima. Na kaming nag-lunch. Tapos na nag-lunch. Thank you. Yeah, yes. And you're gonna have the, hindi ba wala yung bring home. Uy, wala na. Hindi na lahat. Joke. Joke lang. Meron pa oh. Mga Pilipina no? Joke. Oh, take home. Oh, hindi na. Oh, pag walang bring house, bring home. Nahihiya pa.
Walang takeaway.
Wala talaga. Hindi. Hi, Miss Jackie! How are you? Ganda ng ano, oh. Training pa yung ano? Wala, money or life? Money or life? Kumusta, oy? Ano to?
Luto ka, di ba? Hindi ka magluto.
Sa akin to? Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Look at my teeth. It's hurt. What happened? Naman, after kumain. Kapachilam.
Kapatid.
Why do you love Australia?
Ah!
Simple answer.
Why do we love the Australia?
O si Kunti, please. Kaya nahulog ako. Thank you. Oh, yan. So, bakit? Huh? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ito si Ate Maria and si Ate Emma and si Riri nasa egg chair. So, my question for today is, ang Tagalog na lang ha?
Tagalog
Ano,
na lang.
oo, Tagalog na.
Wala kang palab
So,
sa Riri.
oo nga, nosebleed na nga tayo, mag-nosebleed pa. Ang tag nito, ano ang pinakagusto mo dito sa Australia? Nagustuhan mo or bakit mo love ang Australia?
Ay, dito. Eh, yung ano,
Nang,
yung environment. Kasi, ano siya yung
Malamig.
fresh air.
Mm.
Di ba? Tapos, kahit may COVID, at least
go out
lakad-lakad tayo. Walang maraming tao, gano'n. At saka,
Yeah. Hey?
ano ba yun?
Yeah, I will ask you too, okay? And ikaw,
Ikaw, sumagot ka.
Tanongin mo na.
Hindi na, same lang ito.
Okay.
gusto mo ibang question?
Ang nagustuhan ko dito, gusto ko sa Kayama, sa Bohol.
Magandang lugar.
Bohol, napakaganda.
Magaganda yung mga
Marami
Tanawin.
tayong
places.
marami tayong napuntahan na lugar, no? Kahit saan gusto natin.
Free pa.
Oh, hindi guys sa atin.
Walang bayad, walang entrance.
Punta
Pwede
tayo sa
kang
beach.
mag-swimming.
Punta tayo sa beach.
Libre.
May bayad, no?
Sa Philippines may
Only in the
wala.
Philippines.
Dito wala. Pero I love Philippines.
Oh.
Pinanggaling natin.
At saka meron ding mga I'll go there, don't worry. Lahat walang excuse, okay? Picture answer for siya. So yun nga no, kung kaan tayo pwede pumunta, makamta tayo.
Masarap dito lalo na pag
Sakit na ng ano ko.
buo yung pamilya mo.
Yeah,
I didn't bring my
Oh my gosh.
Hala, lumalipad. Okay. Thank you, beautiful ladies. For
If you're looking for a cleaner and a dressmaker, seamstress, just
Yeah, message me. Contact me.
message this one, the
Okay.
beautiful girl.
Oh, beautiful girl. Gonna ask you some question against the light, no? Why Australia is beautiful country?
Because I'm in it.
Oh, okay. So, are you Filipino as well? Half Filipino. Do you love Philippines?
I like Australia more.
Oh, because Australia is
More fun and better weather.
yeah. Which you prepare, cold or warm? Hot weather.
Hot.
Hot? Why? Because you can explore high. You can go.
And I can stay inside too.
the aircon on.
Yes.
But mostly on hot days, Dad takes me to the beach or something.
Go fishing, swimming. You can do an outdoor activity.
My favorite.
Favorite season of the year? Mine is summer. Oh no, winter.
Mine is summer because I was born in summer and
Ah, you're a summer girl.
and I like summer because it's hot. I can do more stuff.
Yay, we can go sunbaking on the beach. Okay, thank you, my beautiful. Huh? Do you
That
have
should be your next plan.
what? Going to the
Yeah,
beach?
you and Mom
Yeah.
and the other friend, you
Yeah.
go to the beach and sunbathe for like 5 hours and
Yeah.
then go back.
No, during not 5 hours because it will become very dark. So, yeah, we're gonna suggest. Okay, I'm gonna suggest that we're going to the beach,
Swimming.
swimming in the sea. Thank you. So,
stop.
yes. Why you like the comfy egg? Sure,
Because it's comfortable.
comfy. You fall
My
asleep.
neck won't break.
No. Did you have an
Lovely, open your present, lovely.
What present?
My bad thing first.
Yeah, but like when you first time you came here.
The first time I come here, bushfire. The bushfire in 2000. Yeah, I have the bad thing because we're going to Central Coast, and then we were supposed to be going for holiday, and then my husband said we need to go home because the Blue Mountain is getting fire.
So what year is that?
2001.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
The bad one is 2019. Yes, no.
Because down to Lapstones and going up to the Blue Mountain, the Katumba, the fire, you can see the fire, the flame in the nighttime. Yeah, that is the bad thing the first time I come here in Australia. 2001. Yeah. And then the good thing is, my hubby and I, for the first time I come here, we're going to drive to Queensland.
Wow, great memory.
Yeah, we're going to drive. We don't go to the motel or hotel, no. We sleep on the van. And I said to my husband,
Good adventure. No?
yeah, it's nice. But you know, if you first time to come here in Australia, you're scared to travel at night. And I said to him, no, I don't want to go driving at night time. But the night time is a good driving. Yeah. Yeah, and then we go fishing. And then we go to this Brisbane. We are going top, the top of the Queensland. Bundaberg.
Wow.
Yeah, we go to Bundaberg. Yeah. And then we go to pineapple, big banana,
The big banana.
big
Who's the pineapple? Is
prawns.
that in the casserole? No, the big banana is casserole. What's the big pineapple?
Is that
Big pineapple, the in Queensland next to big banana.
Boundary?
And then we go
Hopefully we can travel,
to.
no?
Yeah, very nice to go there. But the first time I go there is winter. And I said to the man doing that, it's winter, but he's only wearing singlet in Queensland. But if you go to Katumba,
Well, Queensland is tropical.
yes,
It's like Philippines.
Yeah.
hot. Yeah. But you go to Katumba, how many clothes you wear?
Five.
You got one singlet, one skivvy, one jumper, and one jacket, and then you have a beanie and everything there. Yeah. Yeah, we got travel.
Warm inside and hot.
It's the cold, but I love the cold. Yeah. Because they have a
Question Wiley. What's the best thing like when you're here in Australia? Best first.
Best thing, well, aside from meeting you guys,
Oh,
lovely people.
Char.
No, it's the truth. Meeting your friends, you know.
And me.
Yes, you're welcome.
Australia is good because I'm in it.
Yes, that's what she said. Yeah.
Very well said.
Very good answer.
Good in Australia is number one. The people. But most Australians I've met, they're friendly. Always say hi, hello, even if they don't know you.
Yeah.
The environment. I love the greens, the trees, the view,
And
the
then
beaches.
we can wander, no? Like the COVID thing.
Number three, you have more opportunities here,
Yeah, true. Unlike
especially with the kids. Sports. You have
What's
lot of sports to do,
Yeah,
lot of places to go to, play,
yeah.
free playground for
Yeah.
children.
Only in the Philippines.
In the Philippines, you have to pay.
Entrance, beach.
You have to pay for the kids to play.
In SM instead of mall.
Yeah.
Yeah. And have you experienced a bad experience so far?
Bad experience so far, so good.
Super
Not good.
Mm.
Maybe no. There are some people who are. I'm not sure if they're racist.
Yeah, I'm sure they are.
There's
Thank you, Dad.
Sometimes there are looks like they're staring at you, and you know what it's like. How it is.
Because we're Asian. Thank you, Dad.
I remember one bad experience.
I really.
When we went in
Thank you.
Kalbara Beach.
Yes, I said yes.
Kalbara. There are two guys, I don't know. There are two guys, I don't know. if they're
I'm
Australian
Tony
or-
Gonzaga at the moment. Charot. Calvara, and then what happened? Hang on, I gotta. We went to Calvara.
Yeah. And Mama is talking in Tagalog. The two blokes, they're staring at us. They're talking.
Cockroach bag.
They have that kind of look staring at you. Why are you here in Australia if you're not going talking to them?
Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton.
But it's true. No way.
But we have freedom.
Because my mom is only talking to the kids, to the family, and not to other
them.
people. There's no other people.
Yeah. So I think that one is.
It's not that bad.
But still, we feel hurt, have we? Yeah. Thank you. So what's next?
Thank you, Tommy G.
Thank you. Thank you, Alex G.
Alex G.
Thank you guys for the support, Charot. Thank you very much, Han, huh?
You're not going to Jackie? No. I don't know.
Happy. Thank you, Han, ha? Thank you for having us. Bye. Dito tayo sakay. Dito ka, sunset. Uwi na kami. Bye.